Hello everyone, I'm Sneha. Today let's explore how we can schedule backups using the automatic backup feature in OCI VM DB systems and how we can troubleshoot them using DBCLI in case of a failure. Listed here are the best practices when you configure automatic backups through UI. So there is a very important thing that I would want to show you is about the wallet. Okay, so the wallet will be automatically backed up, but not its password or the auto login wallet. So ensure you have a separate manual backup that is taken. So you can schedule the automated TD wallet backup also through a cron job. Here are some prerequisites that you should adhere to while taking the automatic backups. The VCN must be configured with a service gateway or an internet gateway, connectivity to the applicable Swift endpoint for object storage. Archive log mode should be on. U01 should have sufficient free space. .bash_profile for the Oracle user should not include any interactive commands. And there should be no changes made to the default wallet location entry in sqlnet.aura file. This would also include that the wallet files in your wallet location should not be tampered. No changes should be made to any of the rmin backup settings by using any standard rmin commands. Now, when you set automatic incremental backup in UI, it will create daily incremental backups of the database to object storage. The first backup created would be a level 0 backup, then followed by level 1 backups that are created every day until the next weekend. Now, the automatic backup process can run at any time within the daily backup window between midnight and 6 a.m. Backups are retained in the object storage as per the retention configuration configured from the UI. So it can be 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, and 60 days. In case you want your backup to be retained for a long time, so take a separate standalone backup from the UI. After the retention period, the system automatically deletes your incremental backups, and automatic backups enabled with database with standby role will not be created until it assumes the primary role. Here are some troubleshooting steps that I have listed that you can do from the backend. Here is a list of backup failure reasons. More details about them is available in the documentation links mentioned in the references. So we have now logged into our OCI database. I'm going to my Oracle base database. This is my database system. To schedule automatic backups, click on Configure Automatic Backups. Then you can click on Enable Automatic Backups. You can choose the retention period. So you have 7, 15, 30, 45, and 60 days. Okay, so you can also select your time. Okay, then you can save changes. So we have already enabled the automatic backups as shown here as enabled, and the backup retention is 7 days. Now let me show you something. Let me go to the backup. So if you go to backups, if you see that it is showing me the status of the backups. Okay, so and I've already got a failed backup, which we will now troubleshoot. Now in this case, the backup failed due to an issue with the TD wallet. So the very first step should be whether your database is up and running, whether all your PDBs that's required is up and open. So let's check our database. My PDB is in a mounted state. My database is read-write. This is my key store information. Okay, so if you see here that the status is showing open no master. And for my customer managed key, open unknown master key status. So let's debug it further. So my KMS1 DDB was in a mounted state. I have now opened the database. Let us check the key status again. Okay, our key is now open, so we will have no issues. So it is important that you check the database first, whether it is fine, whether it is open, check your alert log, okay, before you troubleshoot anything further. I've now logged in as root. So I list the database. Here are my database details. So I'm now listing the jobs that have failed. You can also list all the jobs without giving the script-I failure. So as seen in the output, this is the failed incremental backup. So this is the job ID details. So let's describe this and see more details. So I'm giving a JSON output. The JSON output usually has more details that you can look into. So as seen here, the output of the JSON clearly shows the details that the KMS wallet was not open. So here is the output without the JSON file. And if you see here, this also mentions the same thing, the PDB KMS1, which was in bound state. Okay, so we have now successfully opened the PDB. So the wallet is in an open state. So the backup will also continue running successfully. You can also see if the TD key is backed up. So for this, you can get DBCLI list-TDE backup reports. So if you see here, the TDE backup has been successfully backed up. Now your DCS agent log file will be available in this location. So in case of any major issue, you can send the DCS agent log file to Oracle support through the SR. To check the RMN log files, you can go to this location. Okay, where KMS would be your host name and KMS_P would be your database name. So you can check the timestamp and accordingly open the backup log of your interest. Read through the links that I've shared here. Thank you for watching.